Hi, I'm Amanda. I just finished the Memoir Workshop with Duncan Kerber. What I really liked about it is that it was split into modules that you could take at your own pace. Each of those modules focuses on something really important to building a memoir, or building any writing really, from grammar, structure, strength and voice, passive and active verbs, and punctuation. What I really liked about it as well is that at the end of each module there was a story prompt. So it gave you an opportunity to work through one of your own stories, write something about your own past, but writing it through the lessons that you've learned so that it's a strong foundation for your memoir. At the end of the course, I had 7 stories that I could use to get started writing my own book. For beginners, I think it's a great place to start. It helps you to build your writing strong, find your voice, and avoid some of those grammatical pitfalls that we all fall into. And I think in the end, it makes your editing process a little bit easier. I highly recommend it. Give it a try.